In this video, we're going to do a word problem. Alright, let's see. If a ball is shot, we're going to say it's shot from a cannon at velocity 40 meters per second on a planet whose gravity is 8 meters per second squared. How long does it take the ball to change direction, and how far does it go? Alright, a pretty simple question. We were given in the question that the velocity of the ball at 0 was 40 meters per second. That is very important. We also know that the acceleration of the ball is 8 meters per second squared. But since it's gravity and it's pulling it back down, the acceleration is negative 8 meters per second squared. That is very important to note. Alright. Now we're going to start with the acceleration. The acceleration at 0 was 8 meters per second squared. Alright, we were given that in the problem. Now we need to find the acceleration of t by taking the we need to find the velocity of t by taking the antiderivative of this. So that gives us 8t, because the antiderivative of 8 is t, or 8t, and plus c. Now we know already that the velocity at 0 was 40, so if we plug in 0 plus c, we know that c is 40, because we were given that earlier. So we have v of t equals 8t plus 40. That's our new function. Now we're going to solve for t. So we have vt equals 8t plus 40, and it's negative 8t, and we get t equals 5 whenever we solve for that. Now we're going to take another antiderivative of that, because we know now the time, which was one of our questions. What was the time that it took? And now we're going to find the distance it took. So we have distance of t equals the antiderivative of 8t plus 40, which is 4t squared plus 40t. Now in order to find the distance that this went before it changed directions, we want to plug in the time that it took to the equation before it changed direction. Now, whenever we math this out, we get 100. I'm sorry, that's negative. These are all supposed to be negative. because that 8 was negative. So we get the negative 100 plus 200, which equals 100. So, if this is our plane, and we shot the ball out this way, whenever it changed direction, was 100 meters this way, and it took us 5 seconds to get there.